Alpha Mefna, where are you hurrying to?
I feel somehow, Mama.
Does it mean that when somebody is feeling somehow, he will just dash out from his father's compound, just like a masquerade? Huh? Alpha Mefna, what is your problem? Look at you, you nearly stepped on my toes now.
Mama, wait. Mama, I can feel something. My attention is in there somewhere.
Look at me. Is this not Aku? Alpha Mefuna! Alpha Mefuna! Hey.
Who beat you like this?
I was coming from the street when I tripped on something and my pot broke.
Oh God. I felt it. I sensed somebody must have planted something on your way so you trip over it and fall. But to fear, it shall never prevail. Are you okay?
I'm okay. Mama will kill me today. Mama will kill me. This pot was just bought yesterday.
Don't worry about her. Why would she kill you? Huh? Look, do you know how many pots she must have broken in her own time? So don't worry about that. Let's go. I hope you were not hurt. Eh?
Obi? Papa. Okay?
Papa. Hey, Papa. Papa, you called us.
Where are three of you coming from?
Papa, I went to the bush to set our trap.
To set which trap? Is it trap for catching lizard? Ordinary lizard? Or for a real bush meat?
But the one we brought yesterday, Mama cooked with it, Papa.
The one you brought yesterday? The tail of a runaway rabbit? Okay, how many of you got a tangible share from the soup cooked?
Papa, tomorrow catch a big one. I know it's not easy to catch a big one.
Shut up your mouth. Your tomorrow will never end. Let me tell you of you. Better begin to think about something serious and responsible you should be doing. Not this thing you're doing. I'm going to the Igwe's palace for a meeting. If anybody comes to look for me, tell the person I'm going there.
I will never accept that you're trying this out. Every time.
Yes. Very strong. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Michigan. I said shut up. You think I didn't hear you? It was your mother that danced naked in the market, not a naked mother. Your mother.
What did you just say?
You heard me very well.
Yes.
You heard me. When the madness in your family struck, your mother rushed down to Nkwo market.
Yes.
Tore her dress and danced naked.
Yes.
Before the Gary sellers. Oh. Is it a lie?
Igwe, it is true.
Is it not true?
Igwe, tell him not to lampoon my mother again. I have said it before that I want absolute quiet. Silence, elders.
Igwe, it's very bad of you not to mention such a dirty thing here. How can you say such a thing here? Huh? How can you say such a thing here? Igwe, that is not true. I know what I'm talking about. whose mother is a lunatic. Dancing type. Yes.
Udo, Gwabioku.
Inugia.
Tell him. I don't blame both of you. It is Igwe that I blame. The Igwe who has allowed leprous patients like you to become cabinet members. I blame him.
If that is the point of your jealousy, you can swell up and bust into pieces.
In fact,
I don't care.
Nobody cares.
Okon, it's okay. It's okay. You have rightly qualified them. When you refer to them as leprosy patients, that's what they are. You just don't mind Aneka. Don't mind him. I know one of us that spoils his mind. But one day, water must keep its level.
Enough is enough. Enough! Anybody who talks nonsense here again will be shown the way out. What is all this? Are we babies?
Igwe.
We're all here gathered to talk about our plantation at Amaikbe being encroached on by the people of Umoji. And you've suddenly changed the subject to dancing naked mad women in the market.
Hey!
What a shame.
Me.
Look on.
Igwe.
What progress have you made in your discussion with the people of Umoji over our plantation? Thank you, Igwe. From all indications, they are spoiling for a war.
What?
Yes.
Oh, come. Is that your own arrangement or their own arrangement? Igwe, we are not ready for war.
At all.
We are not ready.
Shut up! Why wouldn't you be ready for war? Cowards. Cowards! Kuturu people.
Udo, I have not asked you to speak. Did you hear me?
Igwe.
Yes, and Your Highness, my suggestion is this. Since the Umoji people are stiffening their necks for war, it will only be proper for our warriors to be sent there to mount day-to-day guard, so that when any of their men encroaches, we will drag them here and give them flogging of their lives. We will bring them here and flog them. That's my opinion.
Igwe. For me, I say any offender should be brought here and imprisoned without mercy.
Yes, without option of fine.
Igwe, I suggest let's watch and make sure who our enemies are. It might be that the people of Ndi Ozuzu are the ones cutting down our plantain stocks.
Good talk.
Good talk. You know, you make me very comfortable. You don't talk always, you don't shout. But whenever you talk, we draw a lot of sense, a lot of lesson from what you're saying. Thank you for what you said. We will do as you suggested. But let me tell you, if eventually we discover that the people of Umoji are encroaching on our rights, cutting down our plantains, or that they are in fact spoiling for war, we'll come down on them full blast.
Igwe! Good talk.
What did this to you? No, look at our sons.
Chicken, okay? What happened to you? Why are you crying like buffaloes?
Open your mouth and talk now.
Huh? We went down in the forest to hunt some squirrel. When we got there, group of young men, they came out from the bush and began to flog us.
Mama, see my body.
Amado! Nai!
Mama, if you see kind of heavy stick those men were using to flog us, Mama. It was terrible, Mama. Those men are wicked, Mama.
Oh, Amado, I will bend their necks. Amado, I will kill them. Hey! Come. If you see those young men, would you recognize them?
Hold it, hold it. If you see the squirrel you were pursuing, will you recognize it?
Nai, what kind of question is that?
Look at you. How many times have I warned these boys to stop hunting meaningless animals? You should do useful things like your age mate, not to chase lizards and squirrels. Look at two of you.
Papa Obi, you hear yourself?
Hear what?
You see what you're talking. How many times have you stayed in this house to teach these children what to do? Instead you're here shouting and talking to them, cursing them anyhow.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
It's not good though. It is not good, Nai.
Let me tell two of you. There is now a tight security in Amife forest. Are you hearing that? So if you go there again, they may even chop off your heads. Do you hear? In a way,
My leg.
Chike. Okay, what happened to you?
Mama, what happened?
They went to the forest to hunt. Some group of men cut them down and beat them. Just look at their body. Look at what, if you don't like, just go into the bush, wonder about that like ancient men. Get inside.
It's okay.
Come on, get inside. Get inside.
It's okay, it's okay.
You people will not kill me. You people will not kill me. Okay.
This one you are flying. Are we safe?
Of course we are safe. My sister who is married at IBEKWE is in labor, so I am rushing there.
Since when did you become a midwife?
Mazianeke, you are very stupid.
But seriously speaking, that thing that is happening in your house between your son and your daughter.
What thing?
What do you call it?
What are you talking about?
The evil act between your son and your daughter.
Both of you should remove the log in your eyes before thinking of someone else. I only know women to be gossips, not old wretched fools like you. Go ahead and continue gossiping like women. Useless men.
Come.
I don't have time for any of you.
It's abomination.
Abomination.
Bye. Come now.
This is not a laughing matter. No, it's not. Somebody's son having an affair with the daughter.
Please. Abomination.
Abomination.
Let us go. Let us go. Let's go.
Hey.
Adanne, how do you want me to describe this closeness with our family?
Mama, I don't understand what you're saying. I just feel normal.
You feel normal? Is it normal to be having a relationship with your own brother? An affair with your brother?
Mama, Afam is naturally close to me.
No strings are attached. Just naturally close to you, is it?
I feel ordinary.
Hi, ordinary. Ada, why do you want to bring shame to me now? Why do you... Look, you cannot just afford to bring shame into this family. No. Please, you and Afam, you are becoming too close for comfort. Please.
Mama, what if I try keeping away and I just can't?
You can. You can, Ada. And you have to do everything in your power to stop it.
Okay, I will try.
I'm not eating again. You eat this food.
Mama, you have started again. Can't it wait till night? You and this your plow. Take it easy now. Huh? Is it the grey hair that you are pulling, or are you uprooting a plant?
Nancy, I was wondering if this thing is a louse.
Lies on my head. I know you. You want to be mischievous. Stop this here plow. Can't it wait till evening? That reminds me. Did you talk to your daughter?
Yes, I did. I spoke with her. I'm sure she's going to behave better. Oh?
Okay, she had better do. I've also told Ogadie to talk to her son. Because if both of them continue this way, I'll do a horrible thing in this house.
No, you're not going to do any horrible thing. They will behave very well. Oh, they will behave better. I'm sure.
I don't know what is wrong with children of these days. Huh? They're so shameless. Huh?
So,
go and get me something to eat, my dear. Don't worry, in the evening. Huh?
In the evening, what will you eat now?
Just my delicacy, you know it.
Okay.
The other village land. Striking death. Now I have, listen both of you, I have warned you. Today you will provoke the anger of the gods. You will face it all. Because I've made my steps clear on this matter. Now come on, go. Go! Move! Move! Move!
time I look into true love, the kind that the gates of hell cannot withhold.
Papa will soon start looking for us.
Hey, let him look now. He won't know we're here.
But you know he's already angry with us.
Anger is just a natural thing. As natural as I love.
Let's go and rest for a while.
Okay, Papa.
Yes.
Where is Afam?
And Ada?
That's true. Namadioha. Spare these children. Now, both of you should go over to the other farm. Go and rest while I look for them. Okay, Papa.
Afam Efuna!
Nai, please don't go with cutlass.
Afam Efuna!
Hey.
Mama, let's go. Adobe! This is serious.
Where are these children? Huh? Namadioha Ekwela. Huh? These children want to kill me or what? Namadioha Ekwela.
Afam!
Papa,
Where are you? Where have you been?
I've been purging since morning, so I went into the bush to go and shit.
who did you tell that? You've been purging. Where is your sister? Both of you are supposed to be working together. Where is she? You better start looking for her. Ada!
Papa,
Yes.
here she is.
Where is she? Oh, you come here. Come here, Ada. Where are you? Where are you coming from? Where have you been, Ada?
Papa, I lost my earring on our way to the farm, so I went to find it.
You found it?
Yes, sir.
Now, put it on. Now go and start working.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody should start working.
Where's my cutlass?
Biaogadia, is the food ready? Do we have our food here?
Yes, so it's ready now.
Now everybody should stop. Let us go and eat, eh?
Move!
What's the meaning of all this? Eh? What have I done to deserve all this embarrassment from you people?
Just shut up and move. What's the... When you get to the palace, you will explain there. Understand?
The palace?
Yes. Listen, if you talk again, you will pick your teeth from the ground. Move! Come on, move.
Has no right to pull me like.
What do you mean by that? Don't move!
I should keep quiet.
Stop it! Stop it! I mean, what is the meaning of this? Huh? Did I ask you to treat him like a prisoner? Did I?
My princess, he refused to follow us, so we had to use force on him.
There is no reason on earth why I should make his face frown. You don't have what it takes. You don't. Sorry. Okay. Shall we go inside and talk?
We shall not.
The princess wants to talk to you, so let's go inside and chat.
We can as well say whatever we want to say right here.
My princess, you can see how stubborn he is.
He's not stubborn. He's just my Afam. Shall we?
Is it by force?
Do you want it by force? Do you? I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. Let's go inside and talk, okay? Let's go. Come on, let's go. Welcome, darling. Welcome to my abode. Sit down. Sit down. Let me tell the guys to get you something, okay?
What have you brought me here for?
Afam, I have told you times without number that I love you. I love you. Afam, you need to understand me. I can do anything for you, just for the asking. Afam, I love you. Afam, I want you to hold me. I want you to touch me. Afam, I love you. I want you to feel me. Afam, I love you.
But I don't love you.
But I love you now. I love you. Okay, how do we marry the two?
Just by letting me be.
Okay, if you go out there, the guards will bring you back.
Oh my God. What's the meaning of all this? Must you force me to love you? Look, I don't love you and that's all there is to it. Look, leave me alone. Just let me be and you can be yourself.
I love you. Have you ever wondered how it feels like going to the stream to fetch water and seeing a heap of stones? Afam, it is most heartbreaking. And when you go home, take your time and think about me. Then you will see what I'm saying. I love you. I really love you. You can now go, my prince.
Thank you.
What does she mean by that? Eh? Being a princess does not give you reason enough to get whatever you want just because you like it.
You need to even see the way those boys rough-handled me as if I committed a crime.
Hey! Is love by force?
I've never seen this kind of thing before. Do you know she even started crying?
Hey! Did she touch you?
Okay, she touched me in one or two places.
Hey, Afam. And you reacted?
Who reacted? Ada, don't tease me with that.
Hey. Afam. Are you ever going to give it a thought one day to leave me just because of royal attachment?
No, Adam. You know I have no such plans.
Afam, most times it's not what a man plans to do that he finally does.
Oh, Ada, stop being mischievous. you know how much I love you?
Afam, the way I'm seeing things, you will abandon me one day. Oh.
Ada, stop talking like a baby. You and I know that this adventure of ours is not a thing of today. Think about how long we've come together. Think about those days of little beginning.
Ada, come now, let's go outside and clean. Huh?
Yeah, are you taking her to? You must finish with this brain before Papa comes back.
Come, make sure you don't follow us. Stay here.
You don't finish. If it is time to play, everybody goes to play.
See, I'll slap your mouth. Make sure you stay here and finish this.
I won't. How do you want me to sit there and walk alone?
I said I'm going to slap you. Make sure you don't follow us.
Uncle, let's stay with him now.
See, I want to play with you all alone. I don't need him, man. You understand? Come, let's go. Stay here. Don't follow me. You want to beat me? Yeah, let's get it. I tell him, come. I got my back. I got my back.
You eat like a lion.
And have you seen a lion before?
I have heard stories about lions.
And you believe lions eat plantain?
Who knows?
Well, you see that. I like your mother's plantain. My mother would rather go for yam. Yeah.
Thank you.
Sweet. Like me. Give me now. I'm going to eat. Don't give me. I won't give you. I'll not give you. Give me now. Yeah, take. Take now. Please now. Please, just take.
Ike,
Ma?
Where is Afam, your brother?
I don't know where he is.
Here. That boy has learned to trick like a domestic fowl. Go and tell him that the food is ready.
Yes, Mama.
Be fast about it.
Afam! Afam!
Afam, food is ready. Mama said I should call you.
Are you sure Mama sent you to come and call me?
Yes, I'm sure. Come, let's go and eat.
We have eaten.
Look at that, I'm not talking to you.
Hey. Come, don't talk to Ada like that too.
If you don't want to come with me, I will go and tell Mama that you refuse to come. Then I'll face the food alone. No?
Go and face the food.
Okay, let me go and face it. You say me, let me go and face it.
Go and face the food alone. Tell her I'm with Ada. Oh. Don't mind that, bro.
Walk fast, Joe. Look at how you are walking and see this place your father's school.
Hey, come. Hey, you, come here. Ada, come here. What did you do to her?
What did I do?
You asked me what you did.
What did I do? What did I do?
What did
Leave me alone.
please. What did you do to her? You beat me. You
Please.
Ada, did he wound you? Eh? Sorry, oh. Sorry. Wait. Stop crying, no? fine.
Wude boye chiye bolozo wude dai hafuka muleka na mada gbara so galuchiye bem
odogo
na mo ton no se shi sa oyo de ka de mo foto wolo ma tancha ya bam.
They will say, let me go and see that Afamefune. Today he will beat me. Hey, there'll be riot today. There'll be riot. Where are they? Mazendu. Hey, Ogadie, where is your son Afamefune? Let him come and beat me the way he has beaten my son.
Oh yeah. When did my house turn into a compound of shameless people? What are you saying, Ugoye?
Look so smart. Just look at what Afamefune, your son, has done to my son.
Wait.
Is it fair?
Hold it there. Son, come please. Chukwadoma! Hey! When did this happen, please?
This evening when they were coming back from the stream.
Oh my God.
Please let me see.
Is
it because of this little thing? Is that why you're ranting? Please, excuse me.
You call this little thing? And like mother, like son. Yes.
Okay, please. My children have gone to bed. I would have woken them up. Biko.
Please.
Is that all you have to say?
All them. Tomorrow morning I will be in your house. I will look for a place to treat the injury.
Please, like she said, tomorrow I will personally see to his treatment.
Ogadie, you are a foolish woman.
Why are you abusing her now? At least she has apologized.
All of you are the same thing.
Get away!
Best of the same father.
I can see you are a troublemaker. You're a troublemaker. I'm going to show you today you are standing before your life. Go. Don't fight it. We don't fight. We don't fight.
Please, Ogadie, please.
Get away.
It's okay. It's okay. Go. I said it's okay. Ugoye, please, I beg you in the name of God. Please, take him home tomorrow. Like I said, I will personally treat your son, okay? It's okay. Please.
You said the way your wives were talking to you.
Go ahead, listen. We are not wives.
Okay.
Not a problem.
Okay. I said it's okay.
We don't fight.
Don't worry.
Foolish woman.
I will look into this. Have you seen how you people spoiled my mood? See what I have been enjoying this evening. Fine music from both of you.
She cannot afford it.
Can you see what your son has done this evening?
I'm happy.
This is what I'm talking about. Hey! Stop! Now go back to your hut. You. Where you should go into your hut?
Just like that.
Yes!
I warned you, never you fight again. But you will not fear.
Ugoye, are you back?
Yes, I'm back.
So, how many slaps did they give you?
Me, Ugoye, nobody can slap me like that. I went there and spoke them off. Go there and see the earthquake I caused. Hey, nobody in this village can intimidate me.
So after going and speaking them off, as you put it, has the injury healed?
You are afraid of him. You are afraid of Mazendu. Your son was injured during a fight. Instead of you to follow me to that place and agitate with me, you're here talking no. Hey!
I told you to forget about this matter. Mazendu is my friend too. Listen, it's not every time children quarrel that we plunge into the middle. They know when they start a fight, but they don't know when they make up. So don't plunge into the middle.
I know Mazendu is your friend. And that is the more reason why you should warn him. Warn him. Any other day, his son will look at my son, talk more of touching him. Hey, I'll go there and scatter. In fact, I'll cause earthquake.
Ogoye, stop talking like in Ken warfare. Hey. Parrot. Go in and take care of your son. Get out from here.
Warn him.
I will scatter.
In fact, warn them. Just warn him. Warn them.
Ogoye, Nebwe.
Ada, why are you shaking like this?
I think I'm catching cold.
How come you are catching cold and I'm not catching cold?
Maybe I have fever.
Fever? Hey. And have you told your mother?
No, I want to tell you alone.
But Ada, you know I'm not a doctor now, eh? You should have told somebody. And your body is hot. Okay, I'm coming. Let me get water, eh? Your body is hot. I'm coming. Sorry, eh? Sorry.
Ada. Ada. Okay. What is it?
Nothing.
Nothing, and you're shaking.
Mama, she has a fever.
Oh, you don't want me to know? Eh?
No,
you don't want to tell me?
No, Mama, she told me now.
She told you and she didn't tell me. And it's good. Come on, the houses. Young one. Come.
Norma, you are back. How was the market today?
Nice, also.
You're welcome. You're welcome back.
Nine, can you imagine what happened today?
What?
Adobe fell sick and she chose to tell her family alone.
Ada?
Yes.
What's wrong with that?
I don't know. I guess it's fever. Because she has been shaking and, running temperature.
If she chose to tell her fam, what is the difference between you and her fam? Huh? Have you given her something?
Yes, I boiled guava leaves, ashiji.
Very good. Did you add lemongrass?
I added lemongrass and ihuhuoka.
That's fine. That's fine. That will take care of it.
I covered her with the cloth.
You did well. Go and get her. Let me know how she's faring.
Okay.
Women, you will always panic over nothing.
Here she is.
Sorry, no? Your mother just told me that you were sick. Sorry, my dear. The temperature has
gone down a bit.
Sorry, my dear. Please take her inside. Let her rest.
Let her come into your hut to know how she's faring.
Oh, no.
Start running temperature.
How foolish I was to think you could bring an end to my sickness. It's been a long time, really.
All I know is that the princess cannot stamp her royal attraction on my way and succeed. Just be rest assured that one day we shall become one, never to be separated by our enemies or our foes.
What is it that can sever this love?
If it is a man, may he never be born.
So shall it be.
And if it's an object, may it be thrown into the deepest part of the sea, never to be found.
Again, so shall it be.
Adam, now let me sing you a song. Adakumo ewo ibundumo ewo ihe nekwu obu ya kam nanu adakumo muna gigebi ifunanya. Yeah, you want to sing for me?
No, sing it again.
Adakumo ewo ibundumo ewo igekwu obu ya kam ganu adakumo muna gigebi ewo Adamo ewo ifunanyamo.
Okono's sons. What are you going with that goat?
Igwe, our father asked us to give it to you.
To give it to me? What for?
He said you should take it.
Just like that?
Yes, Igwe.
That's very kind of Okono. I was not expecting anything like that. Take the goat, tie it somewhere.
Igwe, Ayana.
Adam, greet him, eh? Tell him I am very, very grateful.
Yes, Igwe.
Hey, Okon to give me a goat. Okon is full of surprises. Our gods will bless him over and over again.
Papa, Igwe said we should thank you very much.
Igwe said what?
Thank you very much.
What did you go to the palace to do? Did I send you to the Igwe?
Papa, I thought you said we should take the goat to Igwe.
The goat I told you to give him to come, my friend, you sent to the Igwe? Eh? Are your ears for fancy? How do I get that goat back now? Eh? Now, run back to the palace and get my goat.
Bring that goat here. Idiot. Hey! Chicken, come back here. Come. kind of children are these? Now go back to the house. Let me go and see Igwe myself. Go back to the house. Idiots.
Igwe.
So fast?
Igwe. Isn't it better we keep the arm of the goat and give the leg to Okadike?
You know, Okadike is my very good friend. I would have sent the entire goat to him live. But you were the one who insisted it should be slaughtered.
Igwe.
Hey, Okono. Okono, thank you. I received your gift.
Hey.
Okono, thank you for the gift you gave to us.
What is the matter?
Okono,
what is it?
Are we safe? Igwe, what is happening?
I don't know. Take the meat and do as you said.
I should make a soup.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Igwe.
Hey.
Okachuku! Chika! Where are they?
Now, what is it?
The Igwe has killed my goat.
Hey!
The Igwe killed my goat because of your children. Where are they?
They are nothing. They are not.
The Igwe killed my goat because of two of you. Wait there, I'm coming.
You see? You have just attracted your father's problem. You see?
Where? Wait there. Wait.
Okono!
I'll catch you. Continue running. I'll catch you.
Mazi Okono. Mazi Okono.
Oh, yeah? Nduka, my friend. Welcome.
Yeah, Mazi Okono, what is it that I hear about you and your family? That you were pursuing your family this afternoon with Cutlass, is it true?
Nduka, my friend. My sons are useless. My sons are very useless sons.
What happened?
I told them to send to you the goat we plan to use to go to Amoje for the burial of my friend's mother. Do you know what they did?
What?
They sent the goat to the Igwe.
Guinea?
What? Before I got to the palace, Igwe had killed my goat. In fact, his wife was taking instructions on how to use the pieces of meat for over achara, ofu turubam, and over barata. No, is it a laughing matter?
No, the way you are saying it, Mazi Okono.
No, if it were in those days, I would have sent my sons to Arochukwu for slavery.
But please don't think like that. Please don't. Let the Igwe enjoy it. I mean, it is his luck. Let him enjoy it.
His luck?
Yes.
Is that the way you put it? Okay. By the way, our elders say that negligence is the undoing of elders, while ignorance is the bane of erring children.
That's right.
Nduka, what is your son Afam doing with your daughter? Why is Afam painting our faces with mud?
Mazi Okono, I have spoken and I've quarreled. I've quarreled to the extent that my tongue is now sticking out of my mouth. And the worst thing is that you talk to Afam and that will start misbehaving. And you quarrel with Ada, then Afam will start misbehaving.
Look,
What my head is carrying is heavier than my neck.
Wait, Ndoka. Why not organize a quick marriage for Ada? Yes, let somebody come and marry her. That way, Afam will control his stupidity.
Mazi, my friend, I agree with you. But you see, I have been praying for suitors to come.
Listen, Mbono, my cousin's son, wants to marry Ada.
Really? Yes. Let them come! Let them come. I will make sure that they marry Ada.
In that case,
yes,
I'll go and tell him to move faster.
Please, Mazukono, please. You see, why I cannot do without you? Oh, thank you so much. Please go and tell them to come this moment.
That's why we are friends. See, I didn't give you cola when you came. Let me go and bring cola.
This is good.
She wasn't there.
You're welcome.
You said that you have something to say.
Yes, sit down. Come to let me tell you something.
This is your bono is drying up.
One more is drying up. Sit down, sit down. No, you see, our worries over Ada and our farm will soon be over.
How?
Our husband told me that someone is coming to marry Ada, your daughter.
Hey! Chukwacha! Chineke bi n'eluigwe. Ogodo ya na banana. I will wait until it comes to pass.
Yes, it will come to pass. Yes, so that all the useless people that have been pouring abusive words into this family.
Ndashira na. Kega gundashira tiani. Do you know the other day when I was in the market, one woman practically rained abusive words on me. She said that we are the cause of Ada and Afam's incest. I've never heard anything.
Anybody that tells me that will be rewarded with double slap.
Double slap? I know you now. That is not the best way now, because that will be madness in the marketplace.
That will be suitable for embarrassment to be balanced with insult. Yes, it is always better when quarrel, you give it to your offender in the public place.
Gotcha.
Yes. See, I've always taught you something.
Yes.
Don't allow anybody to intimidate you. You see, the world is a tight place. Very, very tight. You have to squeeze her head in order to walk out.
To forge her head, isn't it?
Yes.
But quarreling in the marketplace, all those things will come to pass. Because once these people bring the wine, all the insults will go. My sister, I will wait. Yes, yes. We are going to wait.
I've spoken to her father. He was so happy to receive me.
Hey, Iche. Iche, I'm so happy.
Just go and tell your father that any moment from now, we should be on our way to Ndoka's house.
Hey, I am so happy. Ada is a nice girl. I know she will never say no.
Why should she say no?
Hey.
Is she mad?
So, Iche, what do we go with?
Go and discuss with your father. Okay. He knows what to go along with. As for me, as a middleman, this my pocket must be filled. It must be heavy.
But Iche, you are my father's brother. Why should I pay you as a middleman? No, Iche, wait. Iche, wait for what? Wait for what? I only asked a question.
You can even give me a query. I don't mind. I am like somebody who has pulled down a mountain.
So what do I do? See, Iche, I will do something.
Let me tell you. If you don't do what you should do, you will not get what you should get. As simple as that.
I'll do something.
So do it.
I'll do something. For that sake, I'll do something. I'll do something later. Hey, Ada.
Afam, what is it? What is eating you? Afam, talk to me. If truly you love me, talk to me or I'll leave here.
Is it true that someone is coming to marry you?
Obim, you know I cannot marry any other except you.
Thank you. Look, if they come to marry you, tell them you don't want to marry their son and walk away. Or you want me to come and do it for you?
No, don't worry. Trust me, I can handle it. Let's handle everything maturely. Afam.
Adam.
I don't know why I have this funny feeling. Sometimes I feel you're my brother and sometimes I feel you're not. I don't know. It's funny.
Maybe I am, yet I am not.
What kind of statement is that?
Well, it's a statement of fact. I obey my love for you and not any sentiment. What I feel for you is love. And that is what I respect, Ada. Ada. Talk to me now. Ada, what is it? Okay. Is it now your turn to keep silent on me?
Afam, are you sure we're doing the right thing?
I said it. I said it before. I said that if you see a suitor, you're going to leave me and marry that suitor. Look, Ada, if you ever leave me for another man, I'll kill myself and heap my blood on your head and your generations unborn.
Afam, don't say such a hard statement.
Then you stop thinking such in your heart. It doesn't matter what you say with your mouth, but what matters is what you have in your heart.
Alright. I will not marry any other except you.
May the gods bless you. May they keep our love and make it what it should be.
You do marvelous things at times. What is this madness about, Afa?
Oh God, you won't understand. You won't understand.
He is in love with his own sister and everybody knows it. Why attach yourself to such a person? He does not even care about you.
There is something I like about him. Afam is so handsome. He's so charming. Do you know, right from the first day I saw him, I've been having sweet dreams all night. Oh God, you won't understand. You won't.
Ozako, open your eyes wider. And you will see wider. Mihanya go Fuma. You are a princess.
And his father is a member of the Chieftain Council. He's also a royal person now.
Okay.
He's a royal person.
I'm only advising you to take your eyes away from him. Because he has been having an affair with his own blood sister.
Ogo. All these things are all rumors. They're all rumors. They're all rumors.
Believe it. It is true.
If you don't want to help me, stop dissuading me now. Stop dissuading me. I don't like it.
And what gun am I talking to him? Is he my brother?
You know your brother is his friend now. Let me talk to your brother to talk to him now. Please. Please.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll try.
Thank you. I even heard that sister will be getting married. It makes everything easier for me.
Okay. Ngwano.
Do you know I'll be admiring this bit? It's so beautiful.
I feel so it's so beautiful. It's so lovely.
I'll give you one. I'll give you one.
I'll give you the ones you have in your hair.
Yeah, you like it, eh?
Very
Thank
nice.
you.
Makes you look like a queen. Thank you.
Mazoj and Wakwe, you are welcome once again.
Thank you, Mazinduka.
Yes, our people have a saying that the cricket does not sing in the afternoon for nothing. Okwane.
That's right.
And having said that, these cakes of palm wine and the cola nuts is gazing at me. And I keep wondering what they are here for. Did you bring the wine or did the wine bring you?
My father would say that utterance of wisdom is like a domestic commodity sought after by everyone in the market.
Yes.
You have spoken well.
Yes.
We brought the wine. My son, Mbon, came home and started disturbing me. I asked him what was the problem. And he said that he saw a dancer in your compound. A dancer? Yes. And according to him, the dancer does a kind of step. He drums.
Wonderful. Now let me ask him, is he then the drummer? Are you the drummer?
Well, we all understand the rigors of proverbs. Mbono wants to marry your daughter Ada. That's why we are here.
Now that two people have come, okay, that's a good one. And young man,
thank you.
Mbono, Okwafagi, if you see my daughter, will you be able to recognize her?
Yes, sir. I know her very well.
Oh, you know her very well. And you are sure that she knows you that much too?
Yes, Uche, we love each other.
Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, that's a good one. Norma, please go and get her. Go and fetch her. Yes. Jebe. Yeah. Please come and greet our visitors.
My no.
Adama.
Yes. Yeah, that young man over there says he is here to ask for your hand in marriage. Do you oblige? And I asked you a question. I said, this family, they have come to seek for your hand in marriage. What do you say? Have you met this young man? Do you know him? Will you marry him?
Papa, who are they looking for?
Hey, Ada, what sort of question is that? What is the question for? Eh?
I really don't know who they're looking for because I did not strike any marriage agreement with anybody. Papa, please don't be offended. I'm leaving here.
Ada!
Hey!
Go.
Ada!
Go and get her back.
Ada!
Please.
Ada, come me.
It's not me that she will disgrace here.
Ada, come. Hey!
Get her here! Bon, is he your problem? Is he your problem?
No. Sit down.
Madam. So, what happened?
Hey, I shunned them.
Thank you very much, Ada.
Anything for you now.
Thank you. Hey, look, keep shunning him, okay?
I will.
Keep saying no.
Yes, I will. Bono thinks he can have me. No, he can't. I'm all yours. I will.
What the gods have joined together.
Hey!
Where are you going to now? Huh? Go, okay, if you are leaving, come and take your wine.
No, keep it. We'll come back.
I said, come and pack your collar.
We'll come back, please. We'll come back.
Okay, Mazoji, don't worry. We will talk later, okay? Mbon, you can come back.
I'll come back.
Better. Okay. Hey. Ada, come here.
Let me sing for you, Ada. Ada kumo ewo ibonduno ewo ineku opuyakanga ada kumo muna gigebe baby mo adamo
Ifunanya Akweke Imeku Obunya Kangano Adako Muna Kekere.
Mama, you're here.
Oh God,
you are doing your cocoyam.
Yeah.
How are you?
Which cocoyam? My mind is not even in this cocoyam.
My dear, what is wrong with that?
I don't know what Ada's problem is.
Is she developing madness or what?
I don't know.
What is her problem? Did she say anything?
Is it not your son that is confusing this girl?
My son? Confusing who?
My daughter now.
I am the one that should say that Ada is charming him.
How?
He doesn't even know the difference between shame and show any longer.
Charm?
Of course.
Ogadi, so who made the charm?
You, of course. Who knows your target?
Target? Is it not you that is the daughter of a charmist?
Me? Yes, you. I don't blame your daughter. She's taking after you. The way you sneaked into this compound. Like mother, like daughter.
I did not sneak into the place.
They
came and married me because
Nonsense.
I am
you are
fine.
A foolish woman. Look
I am very fine. If I'm foolish, you're more foolish.
Advise your daughter on what to do. Tell her to go and get married.
Wait, your son is there confusing this.
Tell her to go and get married.
Get married.
I am not the only woman that has handsome voice. I know.
Stop! Mama, it's okay. Stop! Every day after man that Hey, you shut up. Shut up!
Now take your mother inside her hut.
I know you will side it.
Hey!
I said it's
enough!
Just imagine.
You people will not kill me in this house, and you get into a hole. Nonsense. I don't want to hear Fima again here. You people will not kill me.
Is it not this Ikuriba? Just I'm a them or Jalabe Ekwemo. Cheji Bidanuma, Yeta Bidama. Cheji Bidama, Yeta Bidama. Cheji Narima, Yeta Bidanuma.
Mama.
Cheji Bidanuma, Yeta Bidanuma.
Mama, what is it? Mama, talk to me. What is it? Why are you sitting here crying all alone?
Ada, tell me how I deserve the shame you smeared on me the other day. Tell me.
Mama, I couldn't have accepted to marry Mbonu just because everybody wants me to do so. I don't like him.
Who do you like? Who do you like, Ada? Tell me. Tell your mother.
I don't know what you want to hear.
Ada, do you know Amadioha? Do you know Amadioha very well? Have you seen Ebigwe in action before? Or do you know the potentials of Olaga, the god of productivity?
Mama, why all these questions?
Can you stand the three dreaded gods? When they send their ancestors to deal with you and Afam squarely, can you stand them?
Afam is just my brother, that's all. I don't have anything with him.
That's not all. That's not all. If I don't lose my temper one of these days, and go to places for Afam will not know his limitations.
Mama, where will you go to for the sake of Afam?
Hey, Adangwa Kekwana.
I am fine.
Hey. Sorry if I'm disturbing you.
No.
Go ahead and disturb me.
No, Ada, please don't be offended. I don't want you to be angry. I just want to ask you, why did you reject me before people?
Did I strike any agreement with you to marry me?
No, you remember last time I told you about my intention. You said I should go and tell your people, which I did. I told your father. And he said, okay, that I should go ahead, so long as we have agreed to marry each other.
So, did I agree to marry you?
You said something like that.
Yeah. It is a simple question. Did I agree to marry you?
And that, something like that.
Mbon or Mbonti or whatever they have chosen to call you. Please, leave me alone. I am headed somewhere very important and you're disturbing me.
See, Ada, see, I love you and you know I love you. See, if you agree to marry me, no, anything you want, anything, even if it means kneeling down, I will kneel down for you, so long as you accept to marry me.
Go home and take care of your sick mother, Mbono. I heard from somebody that she's epileptic. So you want me to join the family of epileptic people?
You call my mother epileptic? You're a fool. Is it because I love you? Ada, me. Don't worry. You come back. You need me one day. I'm not epileptic.
Mbono.
Papa.
You called me.
Yes, Papa.
What is the problem?
Papa, I met Ada on the way today. And she started telling me something very painful. Very painful to me.
Which Ada?
Ada Nduka, the girl I wanted to marry.
What did she say?
Papa, I was only pleading with her to forget the past and to marry me. But she started telling me to go home and take care of my sick mother.
Did she mention the sickness?
Yes.
Oh. My enemy is at work. Someone must have gone to spoil her mind with such silly stories. Hi. Well, Mbon,
Papa,
we have gone there to receive the shame. And there is no going there again. It is all over between you and Ada.
Papa?
I hate insult. Especially when it comes from this sort of development.
No, Papa, it's not over. She's the girl I love. I want to marry her.
Does she ever love you? Mbono, Ada's case is over. When you see a girl you like, let me know.
Papa, I love Ada and she loves me. She's the girl I want to marry. And she I will marry. I love her. I know she loves me.
Well, when you are ready to marry, I will know.
Okay, you're here.
Afam, okay, you're here. I want to see you.
You want to see who? Me?
There's something I want to discuss with you.
Did he catch us?
No, he did not catch us.
Are you sure?
Why are the questioning now? Are we stealing anything? What can he even do? What's his business? So what is it you want to tell me?
Nah, Afam, this thing you're doing, I don't like it.
What is it?
Yes, you're my only brother. And I must tell you the truth. The news of our relationship between Ada is everywhere in this town.
don't mind that princess. I know she's the one gossiping about me to the whole village. Who cares about the princess? Who cares?
Afam, come to think of it, the princess likes you. I remember, Igwe has no other child except the princess. Yes, that means to say, if you marry her, automatically, one day, you become the Igwe of this town.
And what is fantastic about becoming the Igwe of this village? So you people want me to go and sit there so I'll be speaking in proverbs every time like one stupid Igwe. Who cares about being the Igwe of this town?
Afam, Ada is our only sister. Whatever bad thing you are doing with her, stop it.
Look, what am I doing with Ada? What am I doing with her? Should I hate her only sister? You can tell me. I should hate her, right?
I don't have another thing to say.
Because you don't have anything to say, next time you shut up. Rubbish.
Nduka, drink and forget your sorrows.
Eh? Mazukono, if I tell you that I am not tired of all this nonsense, then I'm a liar. You need to be around and see what my daughter, my own daughter, you need to see the height of insult she heaped on my face on that day.
Huh? This is getting very serious. So Ada rejected such a promising suitor because of our own brother? What is this world turning into?
Ask me. Eh? Ask me, Mazukono.
Eh? Something must be done about it.
Chai!
Your family name has been dented because of this atrocious relationship under your roof. Something should be done about it.
I agree with you. Today I am going home to load my gun and I will make sure I shoot that girl.
Huh?
I will shoot her. I will definitely shoot her.
Nduka, what wise men do in the face of trouble is to solve it and not to multiply it. No.
Look. Mazukono, I am off. I am going to my house. Today, one out of two things will happen. Either I kill someone or someone kills me.
No.
Nduka, I said you heard me. I am going to my house. One out of two things will happen today. Either someone kills me or I will kill someone.
Blood can cry, yo.
Let the blood cry. I am ready.
Don't shed your own blood, oh.
Nduka, let the blood cry.
So, what do you want me to do?
Ichie, I told you that she embarrassed everyone there. Last time I saw her, she completed the insult.
I told you to give me something, you refused. Instead, you went to your father and told him you could do it alone. Now, do it alone. Where is your wife?
Ichie, let's forget about the past. I know her father is your friend. You can still talk to him.
So you believe I can talk to him?
Yes, I believe.
Talking to him in an empty stomach?
No.
I'm going to do something.
Ichie, I don't have anything now.
Do something, even if it's a small thing to buy snuff. You have to do something.
Ichie, you know, I am a farmer. And this is planting season, but I promise I'll do something later.
Let's keep it till later now.
No.
Until I see something. Until I see, yes, I have agreed. But until you bring something. Yes.
You can do it and I'll bring something.
Later, let's wait until that time. No, I have promised I will help you.
Okay, I know you can help me. But do something.
I've agreed.
Thank you.
Until you come.
Thank you.
I'm waiting.
Papa, listen to me now. I've tried everything. I've talked to them. Everybody, they believe me.
What are you telling me? What are you telling me? Don't you have eyes? Can't you see? I am thanking my God that that marriage did not take place.
Papa, why are you saying like this now? What are you talking about?
The gods are on our side. Everybody is saying that Nduka's family is not a place a wise man should go and marry from. They are evil infested.
But Papa, Uncle Ukonu gave me all the assurance that everything will be all right. So what is happening?
Forget about Ukonu. He is my cousin, and I know him very well. When I was advising you not to give him money, even if you want to marry Ada, you refuse. Now, where is your money? Where is your wife?
But Papa, what do I do now?
There's nothing we can do. We look around. There are so many girls looking for men like you to marry. Example, you remember Obiageli Akunna. You know her very well.
Papa, I know her, but Ada is the person I want to marry. I love her. That's the girl I want to marry.
I can see that Diago has overtaken you. I don't want to see you near Nduka's compound again.
No, Papa, it's not true. You see me now in Nduka's compound, though. Except if you want me to die. If you want to kill me, why would I not marry a girl that I love? What is this? Ada lost me, I love Ada. You say I will marry her.
I will cut off that your neck. Oh, Papa, this is what you have to say for setting your family ablaze, Papa. Ikechukwu. So you've grown. I'm very, very angry now. You are angry, eh? Yes. You are angry, Ikechukwu. So you think you've grown? You can talk to me again. Hey, wait. Come and talk to me. I can see that everybody is going mad in this house.
No, we are going mad. Give me my daughter.
Nama.
Go and get me my daughter.
Hey, ona felu. Miga Muhammadu, ona felu. Leave me alone.
I'm not leaving you.
Take your hands off me.
I'm not taking my hands off. Go and get my daughter.
Now, I said you should save yourself some saliva and get back to your heart because my head is rioting.
You caused the riot, or you brought the doom on yourself.
Caused what?
Yes, you caused it for yourself.
All right, you tell me. Was it not a farm that is dating his sister?
It's not my business.
All right, who caused the first provocation?
I don't know. Come and beat me now. Beat me.
Hey.
Give me my daughter.
Afam, you say back?
They're not back, for heaven's sake. That's why I'm holding Nai like this.
Please, provide my son for me, because
you people should not allow this rain to fall.
Let it fall.